Meaning of impersonality.
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 Impersonality. Impersonality refers to the state of being detached, emotionless or lacking individuality. It implies a sense of impartiality and objectivity, often associated with the field of science or mathematics where personal biases are minimized. In social situations, it can manifest as an aloof or distant demeanor. The lack of emotional attachment can also be seen as a strength in some professions such as law enforcement or healthcare where making difficult decisions objectively is essential. However, excessive impersonality can lead to a lack of empathy and understanding of others' emotions, potentially harming personal relationships.